Hi, so in this we'll discuss LeetCode problem 885 spiral matrix 3. So you start at the cell R start and C start. They'll actually give the starting row and starting column number of a rows cross columns grid facing east. The northwest corner is the first row and column in the grid, and the southeast corner is at the last row and column. Okay, you will work in a clockwise spiral shape to visit every position in this grid. Whenever you move outside the grid's boundary, we continue our work outside the grid but may return to the grid boundary later. Eventually, we reach all rows cross column spaces of the grid. Return an array of coordinates representing the position of the grid in the order you visit them. Okay, so for this example 1, the array is 1 2 3 4. So first of all we will go to the right side one, then here clockwise what will happen, this then this in this actually clockwise actually happen, right? In this actually clockwise happen. So for this example, like 1 2 3 4, first of all I am here 1, so the coordinate is 0 comma 0, then because the starting row and column is 0 comma 0, then I am going to one right side, so the coordinate will be 0 comma 1. Then I am going to one down, but this is actually out of the matrix, so I will not print anything. Here also I am not printing anything. This case also I am not printing anything. This is also out of the matrix, so here actually I am print the index of 3. What is the position of 3? 0 comma 2, that's why I am printing 0 comma 2. Then again I am here actually out of the matrix, then again I am for 4 I will print. What is the position of 4? 0 comma 3. Got it? That's the answer is like this. So for this example, for this matrix, the starting row and starting column is 1 comma 4. 1 comma 4 is means this is row number 0 1 2 3 4 and 0 1 2 3 4 5. 0 comma 1 comma 4. 1 comma 4 means this row and 4. This is actually our starting position. So first of all, that's why first I'll print 1 comma 4. Then I'm going to one right side, the position is 1 comma 5. Then go one downside, the position is 2 comma 5, 2, row number 2 and column number is 5. That's why 2 comma 5. Got it? Then I am going to the left side, so the position will be 2, row is row number 2 and column number is 4. That's why 2 comma 4. In this way actually I will print. So what is actually the constant? Constant is here actually row value can go 100 and column also can go 100. So if I have to traverse at least all position, because I have to return all the like order of the position we will visit, right? So that's why the at least minimum time velocity will be row plus column, because this is the number of cells present in the matrix. So the time velocity of this minimum 10 to the power 10 square into 10 square, it will be 10 to the power 4. Got it? Which is less than equal to 10 to the power 8. So it will actually work if we do any in this algorithm, if I use this kind of algorithm. So what is the observation? Observation actually you can actually check, like first of all whatever the starting position R start and column start, first of all I am going to one right side, then one down side, then what, then two left side, then two up side, then three right side, then 3 downside, then this 4 left side. Got it? Then this 4 again upside, then this 5, it will actually the right side, right? So what is observation? Like first you can actually check one observation here actually. Our first 2 is 1. I can go actually one cell, right? Then next 2 is 2, length will be 2. Next two steps will be 3. Next 2 will be 4. Next will be 5. Next again it will be 5. Okay. So you can actually what is the observation here? Like first it will be 1 1, then 2 2, then 3 3, then 4 4, in this way, right? So I know that first of all I have to whatever the position I have actually, first of all I can go one right side, then one downside, right? Then two left side, then two upside, in this way, right? So I know how many actually steps I need. Steps will be 1, 1, 2, 2 in this way. So, and I also want to know what is the direction. Direction mean like this direction or downside direction or left side direction or upside direction. Got it? So I need to two things here. I have to know the how many times I have to go to that direction particularly, and what is the current direction of that, right? So initially the direction will be this is our initial direction, left to right. Then our direction will be uh, up to down, right? Then it will be right to left. Then it will be actually again down to up. Similar again it will be left to right. Got it? But length will be changed. Here length will be first 1, then 2, then 2, then this will be 3, this will be 3. Got it? So just go to the code actually. So I have taken a answer result vector. Or actually I have to return. Initially I will push a starting row and column, which is row and column. Okay, because this is starting, always it will at the first. It will be set at the first. Initially direction is 0, 1. 0, 1 means it will actually go to, if I add x plus 0 and y plus 1. Actually what is happening? It is going to the left to right. Right. Now I have taken a temp also. It doesn't matter. Okay. Now I have taken a n is equal to 0, and how many times I have to traverse till our result size is less than row plus column, because our result size should be row plus column, because I have to traverse each element of the matrix and I have to push that position, right? So that's why till I have not visit all the elements of the matrix, I have to traverse. I have to continue the traverse. So that's why I will check whenever our result size is less than r plus column, I have to continue. And initially n is equal to 0 and n plus plus. Okay. Now what I'm doing, I am taking a vector for loop again. This actually I is equal to 0 and I less than n by 2 plus 1. Why n by 2 plus 1? Because you can also check for first step n is equal to 0. Okay. So how many actually element I can actually go? Once, only once. So how many actually steps actually here actually needed? Like 0 by 2 if I do plus 1. So it will actually 0 by 2 it will 0, 0 plus into 1. So ultimately it is 1. So I can actually start from 0 and can go less than 1. So that's why I can take only one number into this current direction. So next to it will be what? N is equal to 1. So 1 by 2 plus 1. So this will be again 1 by 2 is equal to 0 and 1 into is equal to 1. So again I can take actually one number into the current direction. What will be the direction that time? This will direction will be up to down, right? Next will be n is equal to 2. How many actually in direction how many numbers can present for this direction? 2 by 2 plus 1. It will be 1 plus 1. It will be 2. So 0, 1. That's why 2 element can be present, and the direction is this, right to left. Next n is equal to 3. 3 by 2 plus 1. This will be 1 plus again 2. Again this direction will be this up to down to up. Got it? That's why this handled by this in this way. Got it? So how many actually element will I can actually take on that particular direction? Okay. Then I am checking whatever the current position r comma column. I will add that direction, the value, adjust. Then I'll check it is in the range of the row or column or not. The new position, if it is on the greater than equals to 0 and less than r. Similarly for column value, if it is greater than equals to 0 and column value less than equal to actual number of column, then actually it is actually in this range, means this is actually element of this matrix. That time I will push the current position into our result vector. Got it? And particularly I will complete all the elements I can take for the particular direction. Okay, I have completed this. Now I have to change the direction, right? Like first of all it will go to this direction left to right. Then I have to change the direction, right? Initially the direction is 0, 1. And what is the direction for this? 1, 0, right? So that's why I'm doing this. Temp is equal to dx. So temp will store dx is equal to initially 0. So temp will be 0. And dx is equal to dy. dy initially is 1. So dx will be is equal to 1. and dy is equal to minus 10 is equal to minus 0. So ultimately the direction is 1 comma 0. Got it? How I have changed the direction. You can also take the actually variable also, like you can actually take a vector of direction. What is the direction of that? Like you can actually take initially 0 comma 1, I know, then the direction will be 1 comma 0, then this will be 0 comma minus 1, then this will be minus 1 comma 0. You can actually change the direction, like initially it will be 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, then after 3 I can again come to 0. Got it? Got it, right? You can also take this, or you can actually follow this approach also. In this actually I can actually change the direction. Got it? And at the end return the answer. So what is the time velocity of this? What is the time velocity of this? Time velocity is here actually, like we are just traversing each number only once. So the time velocity will be big of row plus column. How many number are present on that matrix? I have to traverse each that position only once. I'm not like we are not iterating any extra space, right? That's why any extra space means out of any other matrix or something. That's why the time velocity will be row plus column. And any space complexity, no, we are not using any extra space. So that's why space complexity will be big of 1. Got it? Got the logic, right? Thank you.